So guys, welcome to another Tuesday. It's quite cold, but we're making it. So welcome to Tupike Tuesday with Danny Butchery, stall number 56 at the city market. So today we are going to make some very delicious chicken wings. As you can see, we have very good flats. This is called a flat. Then this is called a drum. Yeah. So I'm going to take you through the process of marination. So we have some soy sauce over here. We have some black pepper, some garlic powder, and some mixed herbs. So we're going to make some barbecue chicken wings or something like that. So this is the first step of marinating, and then we shall fry them. After the marination, you can marinate between 2 hours before you cook, or just overnight before you cook them the following day. They'll be tastier that way. So let's get to it. So as you can see, our chicken is marinated. These are wings. So now we are going to fry them. Make sure that the oil is so hot. So they take around 8 to 10 minutes. So for them to have a good crust, you're going to cook them for 5 minutes in the high heat and then 3 minutes in the low heat. So we can start. And make sure not to burn yourself. And remember, 5 minutes high heat, 3 minutes or 3 to 5 minutes on the low heat. So that you can get that crust and also you can have that juicy wing which is not dry. Yeah. Or you can just use your tongue so that you don't burn yourself. So we are now going to make our sauce, our barbecue sauce for the barbecue chicken wings. So first, we are going to add some little water to the pan. Make sure the pan is clean. So now some oil. Just a bit of oil. So that the other ingredients we are going to use won't burn. Add some barbecue sauce. Depending on how many wings you have. To add some vinegar for that tangy taste. Some soy sauce. Some garlic powder. Stir and let it cook until it reduces. Yeah. And for those who like chili, like I do, you can add some bit of chili sauce. Make sure it's not too hot. Just a bit of chili sauce. So you can also prepare this sauce as your wings are cooking, so that you can add them to the sauce while they're still hot. Taste. Add some sugar. I've added sugar in the final process because sugar burns very easily. As you can see, our wings are almost ready. Our sauce has reduced to our liking. So I'm just going to add the wings straight in. You can also see they look very amazing, very tasty. They're delicious that way, but then we have to give it a little bit of a kick. So we'll add our wings to our sauce. Yeah, now mix the wings inside the sauce. Make sure every part is covered, and it would be very advisable to actually do this when the wings are still hot. So guys, here we have our barbecue wings and some fries. You can see they look very delicious, so just follow the recipe. Make sure you take your time with this. It takes a lot of time, but the results are very fruitful. And thank you so much for viewing. This is from Danikam Butchery, stall number 56 at City Market. You can always come and order wings. We have wings, we have boneless chicken, we have minced, and we even have chicken lollipops. And you also can see our video for chicken lollipops. It's also in our YouTube page. So please enjoy, and you're always welcome.
Guess what day it is? It is Tupike Tuesday with Danikam Butchery. We are located at City Market, stall number 56. For all your meat needs, you can call us, WhatsApp us, or order from our website www.danikambutchery.co.ke. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you.